Hi everyone, this is Crazy Honda Chris. Right now I'm staying outside of a 2018 Honda Accord Touring 1.5 Turbo. I have a YouTube supporter kind of reach out, touch base with me saying with a common question, Chris, how did I change on my heads-up display from miles per hour to kilometers per hour? I'm going to show you guys. There's two different ways. If you found this video helpful, feel free to show your support by hitting like and subscribe. Let's go do it. All right, so right now I'm sitting inside of the 2018 Honda Accord Touring 1.5 Turbo. So as you guys can see right now, I purposely parked in the dark area so you guys can see this on video. Once it focuses, we got miles per hour right there. We're gonna change that. It's two different ways, all right? So once I zoom out, you wanna come over here at your steering wheel, hit home, right over here. So we're at the home menu. You got all these options, right? What you're going to do is get back to the top one, select that, click and hold this, and boom, it changes right there. So we'll zoom right in so you guys can see it. Hopefully you can catch that on camera. There it is, KM/H. Now there's another way to change it, as I was sharing with you earlier. So let's zoom back out, shut off that so we can see it. We're at the home screen right now. Hit home, go to settings. We're going to select vehicle, meter setup, scroll down, speed distance unit, save. There it is. It's that quick and easy. If you guys found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe. If you guys have any further questions, drop a comment down below, or you can contact me, Crazy Honda Chris, here at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. This is Crazy Honda Chris, put your dreams in driveways, guys. Thank you.